Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to activate eSIM on your iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and try to insert or try to activate eSIM on your device, I will help you how to do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, firstly you have to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, and here you will see mobile services option. Scroll it down and here you can see the option of eSIM. I have already added eSIM in my iPhone, so guys simply you have to click on add eSIM. And guys, now here you can see you can use QR code. Click on it, and guys after this simply you have to open your eSIM like this. So guys, as you will see here, and here you can see QR code of your eSIM, as you will see here. So guys, simply you have to open here and you need to scan your QR code, and after this automatically eSIM will be activated in your iPhone. So guys, this is the way to activate your eSIM. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.